Okay.
My name is Christian Costa. What does my black belt mean to me? My black belt means to focus, perseverance, self-control, and discipline. I have been working towards my black belt for 4.5 years. I set this goal a long time ago when I was 3. It has been hard. I have learned to focus a lot when other things are going on around me. I have also learned to never give up and have perseverance. One time I showed perseverance was at my white senior test. I got so nervous that I threw up on the testing floor, but I didn't give up. I came back and finished my white senior test. Now I am getting ready for my first degree. I have changed a lot since I was a white belt. I have gotten taller and a lot stronger. I think more. I have been pushed by all the instructors and try my best and never give up on my goals. Thank you, Mom, Dad, Mr. Warner, Mrs. Warner, Mr. Delaney, Mr. Corey, Stephen, Mr. Slayton, Miss Jody, Mrs. Ackerman, Mr. Soman, Mr. Clark, Matt, and everyone else.